In this video, I'll be going over some of the top stocks in the week ahead with support and resistance levels and the chart analysis for those stocks. Welcome to Take It Easy Trading. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you like my videos, and also share it with your friends. Let's look at how some of these top stocks did during the first week of 2023. This is Tesla from the last week. Let's take a look at what happened to current week. We saw a bottom around 101.2 on Friday and it reversed the course to move up and close around 113. So now the stock is above 50 and 20 period moving averages, slightly upward momentum in the oscillator and in the stochastic RSI, slightly in the overbought area. The resistance should be 117.70 followed by 122.33, and then 130 should provide a weekly resistance, and the support now should be 105.12 and 100. And if we go below 97 and we have open gaps around 92, that should provide a pretty good bottom for at least couple of weeks to months. Now let's look at Apple last week, and these were the resistance and support levels I provided. Now let's look at the current levels. Apple did find bottom around 125 area. It moved up and closed the week around 129. The resistance should be 131.64, 133.67, and 137. And the support level should be 126.24. If it breaks last week's lows, it should go around 122.87 and 120.84. Looking at the chart, the positive momentum is increasing and we are slightly in the overbought area, but we should be able to find some support on any weakness. Now let's look at Amazon. This is for the last week, and for the coming week ahead, the price should be finding resistance around 87, 84, 89, 61, and then 92, 81. Amazon closed around 86.08 for the week, and the support should be 82, 87, and just below 80 around 70.67, and then 78. The chart looks semi-bullish, but it still needs to clear some of the key resistance areas around 88. Then we should be able to find some more positive momentum. Stochastics in the overbought zone, as well as the price above all the moving averages for the 1 hour chart. Now let's look at Google. It had closed 88.73 last week, and these were the support levels. Let's look at on the Friday's close. It's pretty similar to last week close around 88.16. So the support level should be 86.33, 84.50, and 83.43. And resistance level should be 89.23, 90.30, and then 92.13. It's still in the bearish phase where because it's below the 200 period moving average in the hourly chart, but which is sloping down. In the stochastic area, we haven't reached the overbought levels and the momentum is turning upside, so it should be able to find some support this week and try to move into the 90 areas. And this is the Microsoft chart for last week. Microsoft is down about 6% for the week. Now let's look at for the upcoming week. We should be able to find support around 220.93, 216.94, and then 214.52. Microsoft closed at 224.93 for the week, and the resistance should be 227.34 and 230 area, and if it clears 233.75. On the stochastics for the hourly, it's slightly reaching overbought area, but the momentum is still down but turning up. The price is below 50 and 200, so still in the bear phase. Any rally should be sold for Microsoft. Now let's look at NVIDIA. This is for the last week, and current Friday close is 148.59. The support level should be 142.59, 136.58, and 132.83, and the resistance should be above 150, 152.35. If cleared, 156.10, and then 162.11. The chart looks okay. It's in the recovery phase, and the hourly stochastic is not in the overbought zone yet, so any resistance clearing above 150 should be able to push the prices to 156. Now let's look at Netflix for the last week chart, and for the week coming up, the resistance level should be around 320.32. If cleared, 325.08, and then 333 area. The support should be 310. If we break, 307.24, 298.92, and 294.16. These levels should be good for the all of January month. Looking at this chart, it is cleared all the three moving averages, and the hourly chart is not in the overbought zone, so there is a lot of room to grow, whereas the momentum is slightly positive but kind of coming down on the slope. So I would suggest, if we are around 50 period moving average, for the hourly around 307, I would be buying some calls on Netflix and try to see if it can rally over to 320 area. And this is the chart for Meta. As I mentioned in my last week, Meta is one of the good looking charts of the FANG stocks, and it had found the bottom around 88 couple of months ago, and now it's trying to move up slowly into 120s and probably 130s if it can clear 123.94 as the key resistance. This is the current chart, and we can see Meta has cleared 123. Right now it's closed at 130 for the Friday, and the key resistance for the upcoming week would be 131.55, 133, and 135 should provide the weekly buying pressures to cap at, and support would be 127, followed by 124.51, and then 123 area. The momentum is coming down, whereas the stochastic hasn't come to the overbought region yet. I would be trying to buy some puts around 133 to 135 and see it coming down back to 130 to 127 area in the coming week. That's all in this video. Please watch couple of my other new videos for the week. I have stock market week, stock ETF on the futures, as well as the Bitcoin update for the week. Thank you very much.